Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola One Fusion Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. To get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and you should see the battery saver toggle somewhere here. It can be either on this page or the other, and from here you can either hold it and this will take you to the settings, or simply tap on it and it will enable the default power saving mode. Now from here, if you hold it, it will take you to the settings where you have the couple different options, like the option for battery percentages, adaptive battery. So from here it looks like it's enabled by default, but it basically monitors how you use your device and tries to adapt your device to that. So for instance, when the device expects you won't be using it, it will then try to preserve the battery. So that, for instance, as a good example would be during night, it will do as much preserving as it can by disabling certain things and quitting applications that the device knows that you won't be using. And from here we also have some info, but as I said, to enable it you can simply tap on it right here, turn on, and this turns everything dark, as you can see. Basically turns on almost dark mode. Let's see if it is. Yep, so it's system-wide dark mode, it looks like. Now it also does things that you can't really see, so it will limit the mobile and Wi-Fi data, basically disabling it when the device is not being used, and re-enable it when you actually wake up the device. So because of that, you will, for instance, get notifications delivered all at once from applications that require internet. And apart from that, it also quits apps that are running in the background, so basically it terminates them even though they're still visible here. They will need to be relaunched after running a little bit in the background. So for instance, I'm pretty sure some of them will already be terminated. Let's see. Okay, so this looks like it's still running. It could be the case for it too, that it actually needs to reload apps, but it might be after a specific amount of time. So as you can see, once you enable it, everything is dark, and yeah. And when you're done with the mode, simply tap on the toggle once more to go back to normal. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.